Oh, what's up?
It is very, very stupid!
Look at you!
Нет!
Now, Gordon, we all must do our part. Indeed, express services are not opened yet.
Too many little men on this team!
Hey, chill out!
It's not possible! I was told we would be fighting.
ひどい！イカズチは大丈夫なんだから！お祭りよ！
I am amused by entire itty bitty teeny team!
How can you even look at yourself in the mirror?
Is serious? Never speak of this.
戦闘よね！
What?
Who is that?
あれ？はい！イカズチよ！てるてる坊主作ってるの？
Oh, hey!
はや！このイカズチ様にかなうとでも思ってんのかしら？お祭りよ！
He's nice.
もっと私に頼っていいのよ。私がいるじゃない。
Sweet. You seeing this?
Thomas has become quite a celebrity. If you ignore Mattel's current changes.
Too many little scouts on this team!
逃げるなら今のうちだよ。ネズミ輸送任務より。
What?
What the hell?
Johnny? I don't know a Johnny. Not yet, anyway. Do you know a Johnny on Sodor, Clarabelle? Indeed not. Unless there's one hiding in the Railway series or something, or maybe not the fanfics yet. Still no.
あれ？稲妻、てるてる坊主作ってるの？
What?
No! I am heavy weapons guy.
イカズチは大丈夫なんだから。
Нет!
His name is Gordon. Everyone knows that.
Okay, everyone, I'm going off to McDonald's. Nobody tell my wife.
戦闘よね。ちょっと時間かかるかも。
I'm sorry. What did you call me?
お祭りよ。
Uh-oh!
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Sorry!
どこから？
My name is Sir Topham Hatt. Some call me the Fat Controller. I don't know where you got Fat Potato from.
元気ないわね。そんなんじゃダメよ。
I think you must be mistaken, miss.
私、
Well, look at the time. I have to get to McDonald's. Nobody tell my wife.
何よもう。
Your ass is ass and I'm the grass man, punk.
Oh, you drunken wretch.
Drunk on the battlefield ain't no way to be, son.
I'll take both of you on, you foolish looking.
Here's what I have that you don't. A functioning liver, depth perception, and a pulse.
Hey, lads! You want to hear another joke?
No.
あれ？もっと私に頼っていいのよ。
It's on! It's on like...
あれ？大丈夫なんだから。
I'm drunk! You don't have an excuse!
何よもう。
Huh? Me? I'm not drunk. Henry is.
お祭りよ。
I do you want to know?
Yes, that is Henry. I'm Charlie, and I like to play jokes.
If I wasn't the man I was, I'd kiss you.
You repulsive cyclops.
ネズミ輸送任務よりやっぱ戦闘よね。
What? I am spy, you idiot.
どこから？
That's James, not Jimmy. Where are you getting all these names?
修理ちょっと時間かかるかも。
I am spy. Shut the up.
あれ？ネズミ輸送任務より。
Oh, you disgust me.
元気ないわね。そんなんじゃダメよ。
You should ought to brought more guns, son.
Hey, I know. This calls for another joke.
Ah, hell.
Don't worry, you'll love it.
Wasn't Sam Hill?
You're not the one who previously. I'll take a thought. I'll be good. I'll be good.
I gotta stop talking about this happened. 何よもう。
Just bought 2 tickets to the pain train, and I'm not giving them to you.
Oi, Bessie. You want to hear a new joke? Oh, this is going to be way better than Charlie's. Bombs, 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 bombs.
You are trying my patience.
Bombs, 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 bombs.
Ooh, thank you.
戦闘よね。ちょっと時間かかるかも。
Hello?
稲妻、てるてる坊主作ってるの？そんなんじゃダメよ。お祭りよ。あれ、雷じゃないわ。
I do not think we do.
司令官、ただ強いだけじゃ。ちょっと直してきまーす。あ、新しい缶ができたわ。早速実戦投入しましょう。
Bumper cars. I love bumper cars. So crunchy.
艦隊が起動したわ。司令官のために出撃しちゃうで。
Last one alive, lock the door. Booyah! There are 2 ways of doing things, maggots. The Great Western Way or the wrong way. Isambard Kingdom Bruno said that.
Yeah, whatever. Who cares about the Great Western Way?
Piker!
Now, let me shunt these trucks without your constant rambling about that Great Western Railway, Mr. Quacky Quack Monte!
You are the worst roommate!
Well, you're the worst roommate too!
司令官のために出撃しちゃうで。
What's that?
あれ、気づかなかったの？
I don't understand.
Oi! Don't suddenly ignore me, Quack Attack!
修理から戻ってきた缶があるわ。
I am the man!
早速実戦投入しましょう。
Did I stutter? Yes!
艦隊が起動したわ。
You think that he's called Jackie and he's a girl? I don't know that one before. That is...
Damn it, Marasmus! I will slap the magic out of your mouth!
Maybe I should start calling you Jackie and refer to you as a girl from now on!
Crikey! Incoming! a spineless worm. You are a mistake of nature. You are walking vomit.
ただ強いだけ。
If God had wanted you to live, he would not have created me. The last word out of your sorry mouth will be sir, and it will be loud.
ダメだと思うの。ね、司令官。
You're a disgrace to the uniform.
Jeez!
That's some shonky business right there. I am not a girl.
You know, I know we love to joke around, but that was just so far.
Hate to break it to you. I suspect you'll keep your big mouth shut now. Oh, no.
"改良された私の魅力はどう？もっと補給してもいいのよ。修理から戻ってきた感があるわ。そんな攻撃当たんないわよ。逃げるなら今のうちだよ。あれ？何よもう。
Yes, I am sorry.
With my apologies.
I'm sorry, mate.
このイカズチ様にかなうとでも思ってんのかしら。そこんとこもよろしく頼むわね。スラバヤ沖海戦では駆逐艦稲妻と一緒に協力して沈没した敵艦隊の生存者の救助に当たったのよ。
Oh, we deserve to lose. Bloody hell. Oh, I need a drink. No!
ただ強いだけじゃダメだと思うの。私がいるじゃない。だって。
Affirmative!
But of course, welcome.
元気ないわね。私がいるじゃない。
If I catch you sneaking to McDonald's again, there will be no more steak!
One of these days I'm gonna divorce that woman.
艦隊が起動したわ。
Oh, let's just say my wife caught me at the McDonald's drive-thru. I was so close to getting that exclusive Big Mac.
Disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by McDonald's.
Wait a sec, why is everybody here? I didn't pay you all to sit around. I would yell at you all for causing confusion and delay, but I'm feeling hungry.
Oh, merde. Freaking unbelievable.
司令官のために出撃しちゃうね。ネズミ輸送任務よりやっぱ戦闘よね。行きますよ。
Gordon, get a coach. I'm gonna have a big feast. Uh-oh.
A really solid Tennessee excursion.
Pardon me, boy. Is that the Chattanooga choo-choo?
Yes, yes, track 29.
Boy, you can give me a shine.
Can you afford to board the Chattanooga choo-choo?
I've got me fare and just some pennies to spare. You leave the Pennsylvania station about 3:45. Read a magazine and then you're in Baltimore. Dinner in the diner, nothing could be finer.
Then we'll have your ham and eggs in Carolina.
When you hear the whistle blowing into the bar, then you know that Tennessee is not very far. Sure, calling, got to keep it rolling. Woo woo, Chattanooga, there you are. There's gonna be a certain party at the station, satin and lace. I used to call funny face. She's gonna cry until I tell her that I'm never wrong. So Chattanooga choo choo, won't you choo choo me home? Chattanooga, 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 Chattanooga. Chattanooga choo choo, won't you choo choo me home? Chattanooga choo choo.
I can't believe we have stolen logo music!